Good morning, TikTokers. Figured I would do a quick Monday morning brain twist on you. If you're not using nodes in Lightburn, let me show you how to do that real quick. I am making this shape to fit on a pumpkin lantern that I'm making, and I cannot stand this little bump right here, so I kind of want to fix that. I'm also noticing that everything's not as symmetrical as I would like it to be. So the first thing I'm going to do, because I do want this a little more symmetrical, is I'm going to make a copy of it. I'm going to Control C, Control V. I am just making one copy. So, and then I am going to go ahead and mirror that copy, and I'm going to put them together and center them both horizontally and vertically. Once I've done that, I'm Control W to weld those two shapes together. Let me do that again really quickly for you. I'm not sure you got to see how I mirrored this. So again, I'm going to make a copy of it. So now I've got two copies of it, correct? Yes. And then I'm just going to mirror it. And how I do that, we're going to go to Arrange. We're going to go Flip horizontally. So now I've got two images that are mirrored of each other. Let me back out a little bit so you can see this better. There we go. All right. So now that it's mirrored, I am going to center them vertically, and then I'm going to center them horizontally. Once I've done that, I'm going to weld them. That's Control W on your keyboard, or you can go over here and use some of the bowling tools. But that's not what we're going into today. So this is now more of a uniform or more of a symmetrical shape, which is what I want. So what I wanted to show you really quickly is how to fix some of these little notches here. And I'm going to do that by going into my nodes, and I'm going to edit my nodes. So for me, I'm going to go in. If you've ever used Illustrator, it's very similar. I'm just going to highlight these two nodes, which I do not like, and I'm going to hit D on my keyboard. That's D to delete. It is not the delete key. If you hit the delete key, you are going to erase the entire object. So that's not what we want to do. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to grab these 2 points. I'm going to highlight them and D to delete. So now those two lines are a little smoother. I'm also going to go in here and I want to grab this one. And I really want this more on a slant, so I'm going to pull it over about a block. And go here. I'm using my grid to do this, folks. So if you can see my grid lines, I am pulling it up and I'm pulling it over. And I'm just grabbing that with my mouse and moving it. So now this is a little wider. Not quite as wide as I want it to be. I'm going to adjust it. But I can adjust up, down, around. And it does not have those little clips out of it. It's definitely a smoother line. Again, going in here and adjusting your nodes with the node tool in Lightburn will help you smooth out lines. It will help you do design work. And I'm going to go further and further into these nodes over the next couple of weeks and how to do a little bit more design stuff. So follow me here on TikTok or on YouTube for more information. If you really want to do a deep dive into Lightburn, I do have boot camp starting tomorrow, Tuesday, the 16th. You can find that class at joneslasercraft.com. Hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for following. I didn't think I was going to have a following on TikTok, so this is pretty exciting. Hope you guys